How to fix Roblox Voice Chat missing or not showing up. If your Roblox Voice Chat is missing or not appearing, here's what you need to do. First, open Roblox and click on More from the menu on the left side of the screen. Then, go to Settings. Next, open the Account Info section. Make sure you have added and verified your email address and phone number. You should also verify your age. If your birth date is incorrect or doesn't reflect your actual age, update it to your real date of birth if possible. After that, go to Privacy and then Content Restrictions. Scroll down to the communication settings and make sure Party Voice Chat is enabled. Set Party Voice Chat to All Friends and also set Party Chat to All Friends. Once you've finished updating these settings, go back and open a Roblox game that supports voice chat. You can search for voice chat-enabled games and join any available option. After the game loads, click the menu button or the microphone icon on the screen. If your microphone is muted, click the icon to unmute it. You should now be able to use voice chat in the game. If the feature still isn't showing up, try restarting Roblox and checking that your account meets Roblox's voice chat requirements. That's it. Hopefully this guide helped you fix the issue. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.